Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? I hope you are fine as always. Okay, welcome back with me again, Miss Ako, in this English lesson in virtual teaching in the first semester. And I'm so happy because we finished the first chapter and let's continue to the following chapter. It is chapter 2. And as usual, before we start the lesson, let's begin by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, my students, for the second chapter, we will study about your daily activities when you are going to school and do something in your home and everything about your activities. Okay, class, look at chapter 2. There is a student when he is in the bedroom and he is wake up in early morning. And okay, look at this daily activities. This is the term for today. And look at the hadith. Al muslimu akhul muslim la yazlimuhu wa la yuslimuhu. Muslims are brothers to other Muslims. Do not oppose it and do not surrender it. Muslim itu bersaudara bagi Muslim yang lainnya. Jangan menzoliminya dan jangan memasrahkannya. Hadis riwayat Bukhari Muslim. Okay, my students, look at page 15. Listening, part A. Listen and repeat words below. Daily activities, kegiatan sehari-hari. Look at the picture and you say the word after I say. The first, wake up. Okay, good. Next, get up. Get up. Okay. Have a shower. Okay. Comb your hair. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Okay, good. Brush your teeth. Go to school. Have classes. The following, have lunch. You can change dinner to the lunch. Have lunch. Okay, good. Go back home. Do your homework. Have dinner. Okay, change lunch to dinner. Have dinner. Watch TV. Go to bed. Okay, you have to translate to Indonesian languages and find out in your dictionary. And you can ask your mom or your sister or your brother. Okay, understand? Write down the Indonesian languages here. Okay, my students, let's move to the following part. It is part B. Let us listen and give number to the pictures. You have to listen carefully. After I say the words, you can put the number in every boxes. Okay, are you ready? You must be ready. This is for number 1. Number 1 is brush your teeth. Okay, the following, number 2, get up. The next, have a shower. Okay, that's for page 15. Let's move to the following page. It is page 16. Okay, wait a minute. The following is, okay, listen carefully, my students. Number 4 is do taekwondo class. The following, number 5 is my teacher. Number 7, go to the canteen. Number 8, reading a Holy Quran. Number 9, studying. Number 10, buy vegetable. Okay, that's for part B. Okay, my students, let's move to part speaking. Listen and repeat dialogues below. You have to listen and repeat after I say. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first, what time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 4:30 in the morning. You can erase a clock here. Second, what time do you usually pray subuh every morning? I usually pray subuh at 4:30 every morning. Let's move to the following page. It is page 17. What time does Shamil usually go to school? Shamil usually goes to school at 6:30. And the following, what time does Shamil usually read the Holy Quran? He usually reads the Holy Quran at 6:15 at evening. And last, what do you usually have breakfast? I usually have breakfast at 6:15. And the following page, it is reading part A. Let us read the text below. I would like to read the text and you can listen carefully. My name is Zidan. I am 10 years old. I am in the 5th grade. Now I am going to tell you about my morning activities before going to school. I always get up early in the morning. It is about 4:30 a.m. I never get up late. I usually go to the mosque to pray subuh with my father. I usually read the Holy Quran after praying subuh. I never do my homework in the morning because I always do it at night. Before 6 a.m., I usually take a bath. Then I always get dressed tidily. I have breakfast before going to school. Sometimes I read newspapers or a book in the morning. I usually go to school by foot but sometimes my father takes me to school. That's all is my morning activities. How about you? And I think you understand the text here, so I don't give you the translation here. I mean the Indonesian translation, so you can translate by yourself, or you can ask your sister or brother or your mom or your father. And after you read the text, you have to answer the question part B, page 18 from number 1 to number 5. And also you have to make writing your own daily activities here about what sentences or how many sentences. I think about 5 to 10 sentences here. And the last, okay, you can match the word with picture below by inserting correct number into the circle. Jadi di sini tinggal tuliskan angkanya ya di bulatan ini berdasarkan gambar yang ada di sini dan cocokkan dengan kata-kata yang ada di dalam kotak ini. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the lesson and good luck. Okay, my students, this is the end of English lesson for today. In the second chapter, we study about your daily activities, and I hope you enjoy the lesson. And don't forget to stay at home, keep your healthy, and always be happy. And see you next week. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.